This video is intended to show you how to use dimension to modify a sketch that you've already created. In this case, I have 3 square holes, but we realize now that we need 4 equally spaced holes. So I can start from scratch and make a new part, or I can simply modify what we have here. So in this case, if I use my browser over here on the left, and I hover, I can see that this extrusion 4 is my center square. So I'm going to right click and edit that sketch, and you can see how the dimensions lay out for this one. Each one of these squares is a 1 inch by 1 inch. Likewise, they are all 1 inch from this top yellow line here, and this hole that we see here and the one that is not shown down here in the end are both 1 inch from the edge of that hole to the outer edge. And this one though is 4 inches to make it fit in the middle. And we just need to redimension that and change it to 3, and you can see how it slides neatly over 1 inch. And then I finish that sketch and the whole feature itself stays intact. Now I can start a new sketch in this space, and again I need to make a square 1 by 1. I will then use the dimension feature here to make it fit 1 inch from that direction, and 4 inches from that direction. I will then finish that sketch, and for this particular part I can now extrude this, and you can see that now I have created my 4th hole by simply using the dimension to modify what I'd already created.